Hello guys, this is Pearly Gardener, targeted individual. Like what I said from my last, today is November 21, Friday. Thanks Jehovah, it's Friday here in Sydney, Australia. Like what I said last time, my gang stalking, organized gang stalking already stopped in 2021. But just recently, I think that was last week, I'm experiencing gaslighting right now. I don't know. Because I live now, I'm just renting a room now with my mom. And it's been 18 months now that I live on my own with my mom. And we're renting a room. And we have housemates. But I'm not implying that. But there is a possibility, I don't know, because I am 100% sure that I put my reading glass in my bag. That was on Sunday. We went to Kingdom Hall. On a Sunday, I used my new reading glass. And then we went home Sunday night. I did my Bible reading Sunday night. And then Monday morning, I prepared my my bag, everything. I put it in my bag, my lipstick, everything, my purse. And that includes the new reading glass that I bought. That's my own prescription from Specsavers, Australia. And yeah, and then that day when we left, I did not look at in my bag, but we went straight to our appointment. I went to my client for the I think ironing, that 2 hours ironing, and then after that I went to the cardiologist for my appointment. And then when the lady at the receptionist at the cardiologist asked me to fill out a form, and then when I look at my bag, it wasn't there anymore, my reading glass. This one is my old reading glass. This is my old this one is my old reading glass. This is the old one. So yeah, this is the old reading glass, guys. So I don't know if my targeting is reactivated or they have funds again to reactivate my targeting. But I've already left radio broadcasting, and I'm not affiliated to any political group anymore here in Sydney. The Duterte and Marcos group, I left that. It's been 6 months that I am back to the Jehovah's Witness organization. Just for your information, guys, I got baptized in 2005. In 2003, I was found by Sister Naomi. And I studied the Bible for 2 years. And then that was in 2005, I got baptized. And then in 2016, that was the time I did broadcasting and got involved in politics. And it's 9 years that I was inactive, and now it's been 6 months that I've been going back to Kingdom Halls to meetings regularly. And the elders have spoken to me already. So I don't know, but anyway, guys, with my suspicions, I entrust everything to Jehovah God. Everything is naked to Jehovah God. He sees everything, and I just hope and pray that my targeting is not reactivated and they have fund for it again, because I'm experiencing gaslighting right now. But anyway, guys, that's another update. And right now, guys, I'm working now as a disability support worker. And I do have my cleaning business as well on the side. Thank you, guys. And please, to all targeted individuals, you are all in my prayer. And if you have Facebook account, Instagram, you can follow me on Pearly Gardener, Pearly Imbuido Gardener on Facebook. And you can private message me if you're one of the targeted individual. Thank you, guys. Signing off.